Big Black and Daisy and I are working in the sweatshop. I'm dying here. She's trying to find little cool places to stay with me. She literally has to be like by my side. Like, look, see, like I'm walking over here and she's gonna follow me if I turn around. I think she'll follow me, maybe not. And one of the things that I forgot to bring today was my irrigation bag. I did strike a line, but hey, that's part of the job when you're doing this type of work. So this is the actual right way to edge and weed. You can see it's kind of gotten out of control. The homeowner originally hired me to basically do all the tough work, and then she's going to maintain it, but just life dictates that sometimes you can't do that. So Daisy right now, she's, you know, kind of nosing in the residual of the mud puddle from the flood. I knew I nicked it. I could actually, once you've done this a few times, you can kind of feel it. You kind of get that feeling too, like, oh no, I hope not, but you know, here's what it is. Very simple repair. It's a side slice, so I'm going to be able to just slice that right in half and put a fitting right in between, and I always double clamp them, so I'll fix that tomorrow. Just basically just finish up edging this area right here, bring it around, and then with my string trimmer I'll fine tune kind of that area right there. Don't really do much over there. This is all, you know, the visual stuff, because it's coming around that corner of the street, and she likes to see like this area kind of like be a visual impact area. So, but Daisy's chilling, she is having fun, and so am I, other than sweating to death. But that's what do you call the name of the game. So just a quick little update episode from What's Up Guy Garage on some landscaping that I'm doing today. Big Black. Oh, hey, check this out. So I got this when I was at Home Depot this morning. It's a 25-gallon large wheel tote, and if I set this up right, it's got a nice handle. Flip these little latches up, and then check it out. My drone box fits right inside. So not that I need like a box in a box for my drone, but for now, until I figure out some kind of like foam, or maybe even use the original DJI box. Because what I want to do is I want to do some drone photography at Ellisville Beach in Plymouth, and to lug that other case down that trail, and obviously I want to take, you know, Daisy with me or whatever, but lugging that that box with its tiny little wheels is a joke. So I got that box and I'm gonna try that out. So, and could probably even put drinks and stuff in it, maybe a chair. So anyways, so that's it. Just another quick little, like I said, update from What's Up Guy Garage. Thanks for watching.